So welcome to my channel, which is MK Mantra. In this video I am going to teach you that the verbs which are already in polite forms, how can we change verb polite forms into verb casual forms. So my topic I am writing here, verbs. How can we change how can we change verb polite forms into verb casual forms. How we can change verb polite forms into verb casual forms. For making you understand this topic, I am just drawing one table for you. So I am naming this quadrant as quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. Here I am writing one example is that to eat. To eat in Japanese is tabemasu. Now here I am writing the another is like do not eat. So it will be tabemasen. Okay, and I will eat tabemasu. I will not eat tabemasen. So here what I want to tell you that I am writing the verbs here in the first quadrant which belongs to present or future. But even though they are present or future tense, but these verbs has to be in positive sentence. Okay, so why I have written, so guys, you need to focus on this thing is that whatever you are putting in the first quadrant, so first quadrant belongs to present or future tense but positive. Okay, if I say I eat or I will eat, it refers to present and future but positive. So make sure that you are putting right thing in the right quadrant. So tabemasu and I will eat also tabemasu. Here in Japanese, the rule of present tense and the rule of future tense is same. So that is why if I say I eat and I will eat, so for both tabemasu will be the rule because the rule is same. So in the second quadrant, what I have done in the second quadrant, I have written present tense and future tense but negative. So if you see, I do not eat or I will not eat is present and future tense but negative. Here what I will do, here I will write past tense but positive. So what is the past of I eat? I eat. Here I will write past tense but negative. So what is the negative of what is the past negative of I eat? I did not eat. So let's do the recap. I eat, I do not eat, I ate or I did not eat. So you can see that I have put the things in a right quadrant. Okay, and if you know that in which quadrant it is falling, you will never make mistake. Now the thing is that like tabemasu, which falls into present and future positive. So if you want to convert the verbs, I repeat guys, just listen it carefully. If you want to convert the verbs which are already in polite form, but you want to convert those verbs into casual forms, so first you need to check that verb is falling under which quadrant. Let's take an example. I gave you the verb that guys, can you change tabemasen into casual form? So before you are applying any rule, you need to check tabemasen fall under which quadrant. So tabemasen falls under second quadrant. So the rule of second quadrant is different. you will apply the rule of second quadrant. If I say, guys, can you please change thabe mas into casual form, you will first check in which quadrant it is falling. So it is falling in the first quadrant. So the rule is applicable. Only that rule is applicable which comes in the first quadrant. If I say, guys, thabe mashita will, can you change this verb thabe mashita into casual form? So you will first check in which quadrant thabe mashita is coming, because the rule of past positive third quadrant is different. If I want to say, guys, can you check that thabe masen deshita, how to convert this into casual form? So you will check in which quadrant it is falling. According to that, you will apply the rule. Guys, if your verb is falling under first quadrant is what? This one. If your verb is falling under first quadrant, so it means if you want to convert the verb which is polite into verb casual, so you have to apply verb dictionary form. This is the rule. So the rule I am highlighting in yellow. This is the rule. If you want to convert verb polite into verb casual, so you have to apply verb dictionary form. If you want to convert verb polite into verb casual, but your verb is falling under second quadrant, so which rule you will apply? Verb nai form. In the same way, if your verb is falling under third quadrant, which rule you will apply? Verb ta form. If your verb is falling under fourth quadrant, which rule you will apply? Verb na katta form. So the trick here is that whenever somebody is asking you, can you change this verb into casual form? So first you will see in which quadrant it is falling. If it is first quadrant, so how will you change into casual form? Just apply the rule of verb dictionary form. If your second quadrant, verb nai form. Third, verb ta form. And fourth is verb na katta form. So I hope you are writing it. And now I am going to erase this, because in the next part I am going to teach you that how we can convert the verb into dictionary form. So the topic is how can we change verb into dictionary form. So if you want to convert the verb into dictionary form, so you must be knowing the group of verbs. So those who are watching my video, so there could be two type of students. One type of students already knows that how to categorize the verb into groups in Japanese. Okay, and the other people who are watching my video may not be aware that how we convert verbs, how we actually categorize verbs into groups. If you are not aware, so guys, you can check my past videos. I have uploaded a video where I have taught you that how we can actually categorize the verb into groups. So in this video, I'm not going to teach. I'm assuming that you already know. If you don't know, please watch that video. So here, what is happening? How can we change verb into dictionary form? Before I am teaching you that, I need to ask you that what do you mean by dictionary form? So dictionary form is that form which you can search in dictionary. So that is the reason the name of this form is dictionary form, because if you check Japanese dictionary and you want to search verb, so it will only give you the result of those verbs which are in dictionary form. So in dictionary form, you can see the verbs into dictionary form only. So here, I am dividing the verbs into three categories. Group 1, group 2 and group 3. And in this topic, I am telling you that how can we convert the verb into dictionary form. Group 1 verb, group 2 verb, group 3 verb. Okay, in group 1, I am writing the verb kakimasu, khaimasu, tachimasu. Group 2 verb khakemasu, thabemasu. Group 3 verb benkyoshimasu and kimasu. Here the kimasu meaning is to come. So if I want to change it into dictionary form, the first step which I need to do, I'll cut mas. Okay. Then second step what I will do, I'll circle the last alphabet. This is the last alphabet. Kakimas last alphabet is ki. Khaimas last alphabet is e. Tachimas last alphabet is chi. So what I need to do, I need to convert the last alphabet sound to u sound. Okay, I will convert the last alphabet sound to which sound? U sound. I will convert e sound to u sound. I will convert chi sound to u sound. I need to convert this. So guys, what is ki u sound? Ki u sound is ku. What is e u sound? E u sound is actually u. What is chi u sound? Chi u sound is su. Su. So what the ultimate will become? Khakimas will become khaku. Khaimas will become kha and then u. And tachimas will become ta su. So this is the dictionary form. So khakimas dictionary form is khaku. Khaimas dictionary form is khau. And tachimas dictionary form is tatsu. Here what we need to do in group 2, cut mas. Cut mas, add ru. Add ru. So khakemas will become khake ru. Thabemas will become thabe ru. Okay. So in group 3, what we need to do? So in group 3, it is fixed that shimas dictionary form is suru. So benkyo shimas has become benkyo suru. When you are talking about khimas, which means to come. So to come dictionary form is kuru. So khimas dictionary form will be kuru. So in this part, I taught you that how we can convert the verbs into dictionary form, and hope you are writing it. So now I will tell you that how we can convert the verb into nai form. How we can convert verb into nai form. So let's divide into 3 parts. Group 1, group 2, group 3. Let's write down the verbs khakimas and khaimas, tachimas, thabemas and khakemas, benkyoshimas and khimas. Here khimas meaning is to come. Now how to change verb into nai form? So first you will cut mas. Circle the last alphabet. So now you need to convert circled alphabet into a sound. I am writing a sound, okay? So you need to convert e into a sound. You need to convert chi into a sound. So let's take an example. Khaki. The ki a sound is what? Ka. What is it? Ka. Guys, e a sound is what? Actually, guys, e a sound is wa. In Japanese, e a. Many people confuse that e a sound is a. No, guys. E a sound is wa. Okay, what is chi a sound is? chi a sound is ta, ta. So if I summarize it, so I have written the a sound already. Now I will just add it. Khaka. Why khaka? Because ka was the alphabet which I have written, and then I have written ki a sound, which is ka. Then e a sound was wa. But before that ka is written, so I will write khava. And then chi a sound is ta, but before ta is written, to tata. So khaki will become khaka, khai will become khava, tachi will become tata. Now what you need to do, just add nai. So now if I say what is the ultimate answer, khaka nai, khava nai, tata nai. So here what I am trying to say, khaki mas casual form is khakanai. Khai mas casual form is khavanai. Tachi mas casual form is tatanai. For group 2, what you need to do? Cut mas, add nai. So thabe mas will become thabe nai. Khake mas will become khake nai. For group 3, shi mas nai form is shinai. Benkyo shinai. Konai. Guys, this is an exception. Khimas exception in the sense that khimas nai form is not kinai. It is konai. Okay, konai. So I hope you are writing. So please do write that how we convert the verbs into nai form. Now I am erasing this. Third part is how can we convert verbs into ta form. Okay, how we convert verbs into ta form. Again, let's divide the verb into 3 groups. Verb group 1, verb group 2, verb group 3. Okay, khakimas, tachimas, thabemas, nemas, benkyoshimas, and you can say khimas. Khimas means to come. So khakimas, what you need to do when you change to into ta form? Guys, the first step is that you need to convert khakimas into te form first. So you need to convert verb into which form? Te form. Here tachimas will be changed to verb te form. Can you tell me what is khakimas te form? Khaite. What is tachimas te form? Tatte. So now what you need to do, the second, so this is guys first step. This is first step. What is second step? The second step is circle the last alphabet. And you need to change this circled alphabet to a sound. Which sound? A sound. So khaite will ultimately become khaita. Why? Because te a sound is ta, and tatte will become tatta because te a sound is tatta. So yes, you are right. The always in the last the sound will come as a. A. Why? Because when you say khaita, sound is coming as a. Tatta sound is coming as a. So you need to change the verb into this. Like first what we did, if we need to convert the verb into ta form in first group, so first we need to convert the verb into te form. We did, and then in te form the last alphabet will change to a sound, which is ta. So khaita, tatta. In group 2, what we need to do? Cut mas, add ta. So it will become thabeta, neta. In group 3, Shima's ta form is Shita and Khima's is Khita. So Benkyo Shita and Khita. Benkyo, Shita and Khita. I hope you are writing this. Okay, now I am going to tell you how we can convert verb into nakatta form. Which form? Verb nakatta form. Verb nakatta form. Again, I am going to categorize verbs into 3 parts. Ichi group, ni group, san group. So, in ichi group, kakimasu, tachimasu. So guys, what you need to do, okay, first you need to convert the verb into ta form. You need to convert the verb into verb ta form. Guys, in the previous part, I have taught you that how we convert into verb ta form, right? So you need to convert the verb into ta form. And then what you need to do? You need to add just 1 minute. Oh, I am really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm erasing it. So what you need to do if you want to convert the verb into nakatta form. So first rule, change the verb into nai form. First we need to change into nai form. So if I say kakimasu nai form, it is kakanai, right? Then tachimasu, what we need to do? We need to change tachimasu into nai form first. So what is tachimasu nai form? Tatanai. Okay, first step done. Second step, cut E. So in the last, when you say kakanai, last is E alphabet, just cut it. Tatanai, last is E, just cut it. Okay. Third step, add katta. So what it will become? In kakanai, E was cut. So only kakana. And what you need to do, what we need to add? Katta. So it will ultimately become kaka na katta. Now tachimasu. In tachimasu, nai form will be tatanai. In tatanai, E is cut. What is written? Tata na. What we will add? Katta. Tata na katta. Okay. In group 2, thabemasu, nomimasu. Oh sorry, thabemasu, kakemasu. So thabemasu will become thabe na katta. You will just cut mas and add na katta. Kakemasu will become kake na katta. Here benkyo shimasu and khimasu. So benkyo shimasu will be benkyo. Shimasu na katta form is shinakatta. And khimasu na katta form is konakatta. So I'm really sorry if in the video I made some typo or my handwriting is in case not understanding, but if you're not understanding, but in this video I tried my best that in best possible way and to utilize my time also how I can teach you. In case if you need clarity and in case you feel that you are in this video I taught you something on which you are not aware of, just ping me. in the DM box and I can resolve it. Thank you so much for watching it. Thank you.